Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello. Time for a new challenge. So a couple of days ago, I dove into my Instagram DMs, and instead of the occasional DP, I actually had a request for a video. And someone sent me a little video on Instagram where a girl had this like Morphe 39 palette going on, and on paper she wrote 1 to 35. She dumped all the numbers into a bag, swished the bag around, and every time she had to go in with an eyeshadow, she picked out a little number and she counted from 1 to 35, and let's say it was 17. 1 to 17, that is the eyeshadow I'll be using right now. So I thought, that is such a fun challenge. Like, there literally is no luck to this because it's a random number. So today I am doing the random number makeup challenge. Oh, and baby, if you thought it was only gonna be for my eyeshadow, you're in for some fun. All right, so how we're gonna do this is, instead of naming every single product that I have laying in front of me to be picked at random, I will have a list appear somewhere in the screen where you can see what the options are, and then I will just shout the number that appears on my phone screen here. Okay, pick a number, minimal of 1, max of 5. All right, so let's start off with primer. These are the products that are up for a random pick, and let's go. 3. Oh my God, no. My main goal for today's challenge is to kind of try and give myself combinations of products and colors that I never really would think of myself. And I do want to challenge myself a bit by adding a couple of products in here that are gonna, like, you know, put me up for a little bit of a task because I don't necessarily love these products. So like in the selection are like my holy grails, some that I really highly enjoy, but also products that I just don't feel as much. This primer is one of them. So the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer is a primer slash a moisturizer, and this doesn't really do much. It's just a layer of wetness on the skin that acts like it's a product, but it's not really a product. But hey, Google's random number generator picked it, so let's do it. See, that's what I mean. It's like, ooh. Highly enjoyed that. Time for foundation, and the 5 picks that are available for picking are up on the screen right now. Okay, 1 through 5, let's generate, and we've got 3. Oh, I like that. Oh, okay, that's good. The Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. Now, this is such an amazing, affordable foundation. I love the finish. I love the coverage. It's very lightweight, but still has coverage for days. If you haven't tried this out, I think you will highly enjoy it. All right, so the foundation is looking a little bit more matte than it usually does, and all I can think of is Smashbox. That primerizer did nothing. All right, so let's hope I am allowed to go in with a bit more of a moisturizing full coverage concealer. Let's see. Okay, generating, and the number coming up is number 1. Number uno, Huda. I like this, but sometimes it can be a lot. Oh, that's a really pretty combo. I feel like the Huda has just enough moisture to not make it like a dry desert. Like, it's just enough to make this look seamless and flawless. It gives you like this beautiful matte full coverage dream. See, this is why I like doing this challenge, because I never would have put the Makeup Revolution with the Huda together. And now that I did with this challenge, it's like, oh, this is a good one. Do you see? Oh. I am now going to set my face, do my brows off camera, and then I'll be back for the fun part, which is the palette. As a reminder, the entire challenge is looking at a palette, writing down all your numbers, and then grabbing numbers from a little bag, and that will determine which eyeshadows you can use for your look. So I'm gonna use it with my Google generator, and the palette we're using today is this new baby by Morphe. This is the 39S. So this palette right here, 39 shades, and it's all like the pinkies, the purples, the warm browns, the reds. This is a very exciting palette to me. Usually I have like one color in the crease, one color to blend that out, one deeper shade to give depth, a lid color, inner corner, lower lash line, something fun. So like 6 to 7 shades. Let's do it. Okay, 1 through 39. In the pile of eyeshadows that I am allowed to use, the first number is number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. The next shade that I'm allowed to use is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, guess we got a inner corner color. Next number is number 16. That is this. Number 25. Okay, now we have to count. 25. Okay, so we've got 4 shades, darling. Generate. 22. 22. That one. Okay, let's do 2 more. Number 9. Number 9. Okay, let's go. Number 11. Oh, 11. So when I look at the colors, it's not the colors that really spoke to me the most when I first opened this palette. I am super excited about this shade right here because from the first looks of it, it's like one of my favorite shades of the entire palette. Other than that, let's start. Okay, so before we do anything, first we have to, say it with me, Optimus Prime. The first color I want to go in with is this one. And I mean, I guess let's just, you know, I don't know, pop it in the crease. I actually should be focusing on what I want to do with this now because there's a lot more shades coming, but we're just gonna put this on. Now, I do want you to know this is my first time actually trying this palette, but if at any point somehow my makeup skills are convincing you to go buy this palette, I do want you to know that I am an affiliate to Morphe. So if you want to save some money, you can use discount code Nikki at checkout for 10% off. Okay, so we got that color securely stamped on, and now using whatever is left in that brush, you want to start diffusing the edges. And I do so by kind of like, see this like circle motion I'm making? Do that. All right, next up, I'm gonna go in with that soft sort of lilac-y pink shade. And I'm using this as my transition shade to blow out that purple a bit more. Well, I guess we're gonna have to live with the fact that I am a flop. Next up, let's deepen the outer corner using that shape right there. Just stamping this onto that outer portion. And oh, I like that. And now, oh, hold on. We're back in the game. Back in the game, honey. This eyeshadow is really bringing it. It has amazing pigment. It is so rich. It glides on like butter. It blends out beautifully. For such a dark chocolatey color, I expected it to be a bit patchy and, you know, rough to work with. Is not. On the lid, I want to apply this shade right here. It looks beautiful. It's called Marvelous. That shade is so good. Okay, you know what? I'm really digging this. Now for the inner corner, I want to go in with this really pretty shade here. Look at that. It's got like a nice reflection going on. That is called Here for It. I'm here for it too. Oh my God. So the shimmer you're seeing on camera right now is like a beautiful like light highlighty shade, but in real life it's like a vibrant lilac-y blue. This is absolutely stunning. Oh my God, I wish the camera picked it up what I'm witnessing in real life right now, but oh my God, that's good. So far, I am loving this, and we're doing really good on the shades too. And this just further confirms why I think challenges like this are good to do, because sometimes we get in like this comfortable rut of using the colors that we know, that we think we know work really well together. And then when you do a challenge like this, it gives you colors where at first you're like, oh, this is gonna be terrible. But then as soon as you start playing with it on your eyes and start blending, it like creates a story and a look. And I really love this challenge solely for that. So I still have the highlight shade going on, and I have Amethyst Awe. The Amethyst Awe is like that bright shimmering purple, so I might want to put that like on the center of my lower lashes. But first I'm gonna go in with that deep shade here that's Tempting on the outer corner of my lower lash line. Okay, taking Amethyst Awe, lower lashes, blending that in. Ooh, that is like the most disappointing shade out of the mix I just tried. Okay, yeah, this shade is no. Nope, see? It doesn't give that, ooh. Compared to all the other shades I used, this is like, where's the pigment? I am gonna go off camera, pop some lashes on, do the other eye, and then let's see what is next in this so far very fun challenge. Alrighty, so this is what it looks like with lashes, and I think this is such a sexy, fun, smoky eye. It is a smoky eye, but played up with a bit of color, and I am here for it. When it comes to cheeks, I don't necessarily think we have to do like the random stuff because, you know, cheeks are cheeks. But later on, we will find out what my lips end up looking like after fate decides what it's gonna be. All right, so I am looking a little bit pale. I'm looking a little bit like a ghost. So it's time for me to bronze, honey. Okay, time to go in with a hit of blush, and I'm using this bright peach color to sort of tie my face with what I'm wearing today, which might I say is quite like, ooh. Does anyone actually still do that? You know, kind of like match what you're wearing on your face with like what you're wearing on your body? Because I am kind of guilty of that. I kind of do that. Now, if you already went ahead and commented down below why the hell I haven't used the lightest shade of, you know, the random selection from the palette yet, it's because I wanted to save this shade right here, you know, one of the shades that we picked called Perfection. I wanted to save that to highlight my cheeks because it looks like it's gonna be bomb. Oh, all right. Well, my thought said it might be that girl, and Survey says it is that girl. Look at that. Ooh, see? And now I use all the shadows that the random number generator generated for me to use. Oh my God, that is stunning. All right, for lips, like I said, I definitely want to let the makeup fate decide my destiny. So 5 options appear on the screen right now, and let's find out which one I'm gonna wear. All right, let's generate, and the winner is number 4. Oh, red? This look is turning very campy. Like I have like all the jewels going on, like all the gold, and then I have this print and then the purple, and now with the red lips, it's turning into a little bit of Met Gala camp, but I'm here for it on this fine Monday morning. So Fenty Beauty recently came out with new lipsticks, and these are called the Poutsicle, and I have this red one here called Hot Blooded, and I think this can be very, very fun to pop on the lips, but first I'm gonna line. Okay, let's go. Oh, that is red. Oh my God. Fenty. This is what it looks like after I let random generated numbers decide what I can wear and what not. And I am pleasantly surprised when we look at it like this. I love this with this type of like nude peachy, like caramel, like nude type of lip with it. Oh my God, a vision. This is, not gonna lie, little 80s. little much. So that is it. What do you guys think? How do you think I did? And without any further ado, let's go on to today's Dutch word of the day. In my previous video, the Dutch word of the day was for the past, verleden, and here is the winning comment. As for today's Dutch word of the day, let's go for random. Willekeurig. Wil, le, keur, ich. This makeup look is completely willekeurig. As always, if you want to get featured in my next video, all you have to do is leave a comment down below featuring the Dutch word of the day, or leave a video response on Instagram under the hashtag Dutch word of the day. Good luck. Definitely give this a try for yourself if you're stuck in a rut and you want to try some new combinations. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.